All right, I've had a few questions over the last week or so that really came to like, I'm having trouble eating the right things for lunch. And then after class today, it came up again. And so let's address this, right? You got to do some meal planning, right? You got to think about this. I told people that, you know, if you work out 5 times a week, right, and have a bad diet 3 to 4 times and meals that week, you should take one of those hours you work out, plan that, and you'll be much better off if you're one of those people that are looking to lean up, right, and getting a bit more healthy, okay? So you can't outwork a bad diet, that's what I want to say. So if you go out and you eat a bad diet, say just crap food, right, extra calories, put your body at in a bad state of inflammation, and you just cannot get to a better place in that 1 hour that you work out here because you keep having a consistently bad diet.
Got it.
You got to get it to like 80% plus.